Hey, it's Jade here. If you've been curious about crypto but feel like all you've seen are overly complicated systems and vague promises, you're in the right place. This video is your starting point for a smarter, safer way to begin your trading adventure. Trading doesn't have to feel overwhelming or risky. With the right guidance and tools, it can actually be exciting, manageable, and yes, even profitable. That's why I'm so excited to introduce you to Toolkit 5 Crypto Safety Starter Kit. This toolkit isn't just for beginners. It's for anyone who wants to kickstart their crypto experience on the right foot. Imagine moving into the market with clarity instead of confusion, confidence instead of hesitation. Why does this matter to you? It's beginner-friendly. You don't need prior trading experience. It's action-oriented. You'll know exactly what to do step by step. It keeps your funds safe. The tools prioritize making educated trades while protecting your wallet. If you've been waiting to dip your toes into crypto, or you've tried before without seeing success, this video might just be the game changer you've been looking for. When it comes to jumping into the crypto world, there are two ways to go about it. You can wing it, hope for the best, and risk falling into common traps. Or you can follow a proven system that helps you trade strategically and keep your assets secure. Toolkit 5 does exactly that. Here's what's inside Toolkit 5. Crypto Safety Starter Kit Trading for Beginners ebook. This isn't your average crash course. It's clear, simple, and written for people who are starting from scratch. You'll finally understand the basics without drowning in jargon. Example: it breaks down concepts like understanding exchanges, portfolio management, and avoiding costly rookie mistakes. Practical safety features. Crypto is exciting, but it comes with risks too. That's why Toolkit 5 includes guides on wallet management and protecting your trades from hacks or losses. Toolkit 5 was exactly what I needed. Learning how to keep my funds safe while trading gave me the confidence I was missing. Bryce MVP Strategies for Winning Trades. Toolkit 5 highlights how to spot potential profit opportunities while keeping your risk low. These aren't gimmicks. They're strategies that build steady success. I'll be honest with you. When I first dipped my toes into crypto, it felt like I'd stepped into another planet. There was so much noise out there. One article would say, "Invest big now," while another screamed, "The market's a bubble!" I felt stuck, trying to figure out who to trust. And I was overwhelmed by all the tools, terms, and strategies being thrown around, until I found a system. Toolkit 5 didn't exist back then, but I wish it had. What I realized is that success starts with clarity and simplicity. When I learned how to make my first small, thoughtful trades, it was like a fog lifted. And here's the thing, I didn't need to be a financial expert or a tech whiz. I just needed the right tools. That's what gave me the confidence to start. Fast forward to today, and my trading success all started with taking that very first step. Toolkit 5 is the shortcut I wish I'd had. It's designed to remove the overwhelm and set you up for real progress quickly. Trust me, your success can start just as easily as mine did once you have the guidance to get going. One of the things I love most about this series is hearing back from you. The CashWave community isn't just about trading, it's about trading together. I want to know what you're most excited about. What are you looking forward to trying the most? Is it the Trading for Beginners ebook, the VIP indicators, or maybe learning how to protect your funds? Here's what we'd love to see in the comments below. Drop AI if you're excited to kickstart your crypto trading with Toolkit 5. Tell us, have you used a trading tool that actually made a difference? If so, what was your biggest takeaway? Share your story. We read every single comment. And don't forget, I read your comments too. Your ideas, your wins, and even your questions inspire the topics we cover next. When you engage, you're not just helping yourself, you're helping build a community of smarter, stronger traders. All right, it's time to take action. You've seen how Toolkit 5 simplifies the trading process, keeps your funds safe, and teaches practical strategies step by step. All that's left is for you to grab it and get started. Here's what you need to do now. Step 1. Download Toolkit. 5. Crypto Safety Starter Kit, using the link in the description below. This is your first step toward trading confidently and avoiding rookie mistakes. Step 2. Once you've downloaded the kit, commit to taking one tiny action today. Whether it's reading through a section of the ebook, creating your first wallet, or planning your first small trade, just take that one step forward. Step 3. Subscribe to this channel. This is just the beginning of the Crypto Wealth Elite series. And in the next video, we'll break down how to use VIP indicators to time your trades like a pro. You don't want to miss it. Believe me when I tell you this system works. Anyone can sit on the sidelines and wait. The real breakthroughs happen when you take the first step forward. Toolkit 5 is designed to be that step. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. The difference between people who stay stuck and those who succeed isn't talent. It's action. I know what it feels like to hesitate, to overthink, to worry if this is the right move. But every success story I've heard, including my own, always starts with the same thing: a decision. Today, I'm inviting you to make that decision. Download Toolkit 5, start building your crypto edge, and take control of where this trading adventure goes. From me and everyone here at CashWave, thank you for trusting us to help guide your trading success. And I can't wait to see what you'll achieve.